Hi, my name is Kelly Winkle, and this is my presentation for the turning team for the prevention of hospital-acquired pressure ulcers, also known as HAPUs. The objectives for this presentation is to identify a pressure ulcer, identify the stages, define what a HAPU is, address the effects of HAPUs on patients, identify the costs involved in treatment, what preventative measures are we currently using, and what is the turning team? What is a pressure ulcer? It is an localized damage to the skin and the underlying soft tissue, typically over a bony prominence on the body. The injury can present as intact or as an open ulcer, and it has varying degrees of stage 1 through stage 4. The injury occurs as a result of pressure or pressure in combination with shearing as well as moisture. Visual presentation of stage 1 through 4. What is a hospital-acquired pressure ulcer? They're ulcers acquired during hospitalization stays. They're considered a national concern due to the patient's health, satisfaction, treatment, and reimbursable services. Approximately 26% of all acute patients have recorded incidents for HAPUs. Now, the effects of pressure ulcers on patients, studies indicate it takes their tolls on their lives emotionally, mentally, physically, and socially. They've also commented on the toll taken by the cause of the pressure, the actual pain from the ulcer, as well as the appearance, smell, and the leakage of fluid. Patients noted their discomfort with the pain of treatment and the pressure relieving medical equipment. Patients were highly dissatisfied with their increased hospitalization. Costs involved in pressure ulcer treatment. HAPUs evaluated as stage 3 or 4 are now considered as preventable condition by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid, no longer reimbursed at higher rates, and with privatized insurance adopting the same reimbursement practice. The estimated cost per patient per day, excluding nursing care, in 2014 for a stage 1 or stage 2 was $2,770. For a stage 3 or stage 4, the cost was $5,622. Considering the costs, we also need to look at additional hospitalization. Stage 1 and stage 2 require 5 days. Stage 3 and stage 4 require 8 additional days of hospitalization. If you look at the total costs of treatment and hospitalization, stage 1 and stage 2 will cost approximately $13,851, and stage 3 and 4 will cost approximately $44,983. Currently, we use preventative measures such as identification of at-risk patients using the Braden scores, skin assessment at the time of admission and documenting, nutritional assessment, daily and per shift skin assessment, the use of pressure-reducing mattresses and devices, as well as moisture barriers and creams. Also in use are foam dressings and the repositioning of patients. So, are you struggling with the increased incidence of hospital-acquired pressure ulcers? Patients who don't receive the appropriate skin assessment and care cost this hospital in decreased patient satisfaction, and it will impact your revenue. So, implementing a turning team will reduce your hospital-acquired pressure ulcer events. Any hospital that makes patient satisfaction and pressure ulcers a priority will benefit from the turning team. So speak with your administrators today to implement this cost-saving benefit now. So what is a turning team? Well, a turning team is a team of 1 nurse and 2 patient care assistants, all who have advanced skin assessment and care skills. Each team works to prevent and care for identified at-risk patients, as well as those currently under care. The turning team is a vital pressure ulcer preventative and pressure ulcer maintenance component to every patient and every hospital. Each turning team is responsible for every identified unit with moderate to high risk for HAPUs. Each turning team works an 8-hour shift with all shifts covered, providing for 24-hour care. Each team repositions every 2 hours, provides skin care, documents condition, and works with the unit's registered nurses and patient care assistants. Now the costs involved in this team: total cost per 24-hour coverage, including wages and benefits, for all teams would be $1,626. We're going to assume 4 units per floor at Lancaster General Hospital with approximately 20 patients per unit, using 26% of them as identified at risk, equals 21 patients. Now, if you look at the turning team prevention costs versus the hospital-acquired pressure ulcer costs per day, one turning team per patient in a 24-hour period will cost your hospital $77.42 for a 24-hour period for one turning team. The cost for a stage 1 and stage 2 HAPU per patient per 24 hours is going to cost you $2,770. The cost for a stage 3 and a stage 5 per patient per 24 hours is going to cost you $5,622. In looking at the difference between $77.42 for prevention and the cost for the stage 1 through stage 4, why wouldn't you implement a turning team?